Welcome back to the series of Understanding Your Numbers. In this video, we will cover understanding your goal attainment numbers. We will be looking at data from our demo weekly report. This is another view that has a lot of data. Yet again, it is important data that's very useful in managing your firm. We broke the goals into the 4 benchmarks of intake: initial contacts, consultations, workshops, and engagements. We then look at the past 30 or 7 days. You can look at your process and progress in both time frames. When your 7-day is down, you have the next week to pull the numbers up to meet your 30-day goals. Yet another way to focus on what needs attention in your firm. So let's dive into these. We can see that our engagements are 86.67% for the 30-day goal. Not horrible, but down. Our 7-day attainment is only at 38.1%, and that is concerning. If that trend continues, our 30-day goal will not be met and will fall even lower. On the other side, we can see that our initial contacts 30-day attainment is at 81.6, but our 7-day attainment is 192%. This tells me the rest of the numbers will be going up in the next couple of weeks. Next week, our consultations should be up, and our engagements will follow. Even though most of the goal attainment percentages are low in red, there's improvement witnessed by the 7-day initial contacts. If the numbers were reversed, you would know that your marketing team needs to put some focused marketing into play to get those numbers up. All of this makes a very useful management tool for the now. But what about the history? These graphs at the bottom of the page show your history by week. They collect the numbers from each week and put them against the 7-day goals. But they're so tiny. Yes, they are. However, if you'd like to see them larger, it's a simple click on the upper right corner of any of the graphs and this little icon, focus mode. It will open this page of a whole new graph for you, and then a simple click to get back to the main goal attainment page. What if we don't know what our goals for each step should be? We have a free goal calculator that can do these calculations for you. It's available in the link in the description below. However, I will show you how it works. You only need to know how many engagements you need to meet your financial goals, how many initial contacts, consultations, and engagements you had in the last month, and it does the work for you. It will display your new goals based on these numbers. You can use this over and over to update your goals as your conversion rates change or your financial goals change. And again, it's free. This whole report is available along with the Actionstep workflow that saves time and data entry to allow for high-value reporting from Ettinger Tech. You can schedule a free PCM and report demo meeting to discuss this option in the link below. You do not need to be an Actionstep user to take a look at the report. Schedule a PCM and report demo, and we can have a chat about your needs. Our next video will cover the summary page and its drill-throughs to more information. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you and have a wonderful day.